So a little update, I'm switching back to the stock MAF, and see, this is wide and solder nothing, because now the wires are the same length to my car's harness. I won't be shortening that. But anyway, because I'm getting a custom exhaust and it's ready to be worked on, so I'm just gonna drive the car like this with no tune, take it easy over there, and get the exhaust done while I wait, because RK moves like the president. So instead of sitting around not getting shit done, I'll get the exhaust done. So the stock MAF is on. I know you guys could care less about seeing a stock MAF installed, but get you guys a little cold start for watching through this video. I got the car back and the exhaust is done. Yeah, that exhaust completes the rear end 100%. I wish I got a video of it on the lift when it was finished, but the car was already on the ground. But I just went 3" back from the downpipe, because the downpipe that comes with this kit is 2.5 inch, which kind of sucks. But eventually, if that manifold cracks or something, I'll get a custom downpipe that's 3" for this car. So the exhaust is really just a 3" straight pipe, but then it goes into a resonator and a muffler. I want it super annoying and obnoxious to car, so I'm gonna take off the resonator in the future, but for now I think it's fine. It's very low, you barely hear it, but maybe with the tune it'll sound a little more aggressive when I'm actually like wide open throttle on it. But as far as just cruising around town, it's very quiet and subtle, so I like it. Like it a lot.
Like it a lot.
But thanks for watching.